Hello, everyone. So, welcome back to the very first episode of our brand new series, SSIS, that is SQL Server Integration Service. So, here we have discussing things from beginner to advanced level. So, in this video, we are starting with the basics. What is the SSI? What is SSIS? Why do we use it? Real world examples, component of SSIS, and how it fits in the ETL and data warehousing ecosystem. So, if you are a data engineer, BI developer, or SQL developer, so this series is for you. So, let's begin with the most fundamental question: what is SSIS? So, SSIS stand for SQL Server Integration Service, a powerful ETL. ETL means like extract, transform, and load tool provided by Microsoft as part of SQL Server. So it allows us to move and transform data between various sources, whether that's databases, flat files, Excel sheet, cloud platform, or APIs. So imagine this: you have a sales data, okay, and this sales data in form of Excel, customer data in SQL Server, okay, and you want to combine both into a clean structured data warehouse table. So SSIS make this process seamless with its drag drop interface and flexible data transformation. Now you might ask, why should I use SSIS instead of writing scripts? So here are a few reasons. First thing, visual ETL development. No need to write complex code. Built-in connector for SQL, Excel, CSV, and Oracle, etc. Then rich transformation component like merge, pivot, lookup, and powerful error handling and logging things are there. And here we can also schedule the automation via SQL Server agents. So in short, SSIS allow you to build scalable, reusable, and high performance data workflow. Let me give you a quick real world scenario. A retail company gets daily sales data, okay, from different branches like branch A, branch B, and branch C. So lots of branches are there. So uh, it is getting in a format of .csv. So they need to load all the CSV into SQL Server. Okay, this is your SQL. Validate the data, apply like doing the transformation like currency transformation are there because sometime we have accept the dollar values depends on the reasons, euros. So these type of transformation they want to apply here and combined it with the product info and final generate a daily sales summary. So all of this can be done in a single SSIS package, automated, monitored, and delivered on time. Let's look how SSIS work under the hood? I give you. So SSIS package. So this is a unit of work. It contains all the ETL logic. Okay, this is your SSIS packages. So then next thing is control flow. So think of it as a skeleton. Define the workflow like task, loops, and condition. Like there is a one task is there, like DFT task is there. So it is a creator like a workflow for us. Then next thing is a data flow task. So data flow task, this is a where the matching happen. In data flow task, it moves and transform your data. Like some source is there, and some destination is there. And between source to destination, our data is transformation happen. Then next thing is connection manager. So connection manager basically it is define the source and destination. So source like through new connection manager we have create our connections like our source is a SQL. So we have select our SQL source here and create our connections. Okay, same as it is apply for the destination also. Then next thing is talking about the precedence constant. So precedence constant it is decide the execution order. Okay, so this is define the order like this is. And next thing is variables. If talking about the variables, so why we have used the variable, it used to pass value dynamically like we have defined something. Then next thing is the event handler. So handle error on event in your packages. So there is package level and what type of on error on execute is status change on information on post execute post validate pre execute pre validate on process. So these are the different event handlers are there. Then next thing is the parameters. So parameters basically it is a pass value externally into your packages. So we will see each of these in action in upcoming episodes. Now SSIS plays a critical role in any data warehouse or BI solution. So it is responsible for loading data from various sources, cleaning and transforming data, populating staging and warehouses tables, feeding data into SSIS cubes or Power BI model, maintaining slowly changing dimensions, automating job and workflow. So SSIS is the backbone of most on-premises ETL pipelines. So in this SSIS series, we will go from zero to hero. So here what's coming up in next videos where we have discussed like how to SSIS setup and how what are the installation steps, then creating your first SSIS package, data flow, then we discuss the data flow source to destination, then we have discussed different transformation like merge, sort, conditional split, more are there. Then we have detailed discussion on variables, parameters, expressions, how we will use in our projects. Then we discuss how to handle the errors, logging, and all. Then we learn about how we deploy our SSIS projects and real-time projects and interviews. So if you enjoyed this introduction and are excited to learn SSIS step by step, so please give me this video a thumbs up, share it with your friend and drop a comment below with the questions or what you. So see you in next video where we will install and configure the SSIS environment and build our first SSIS package.